Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video. In today's video I'm going to share a VPN app that can help improve your online connection and add an extra layer of protection while you're using the internet. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Simply open the Google Play Store on your device and search for Mega Tunnel VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon. Install the app on your device, and once the installation is complete, tap on Open. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. You can also leave a comment to support the channel and help this video reach more people. Now let's continue with the setup. First, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Updates so the app can check for and install the latest resources. This helps the app work properly and perform better. Next, choose a server. For this guide, I recommend selecting Auto Select Server, as it automatically chooses the best available server for your location. You can also manually select a server if you prefer. After that, tap on the global option and choose your country from the list. This helps the app apply the correct settings for your location. The next step is to add connection time. Make sure to add time so the app continues working without interruption. If no time is added, the connection may stop automatically. Once everything is set, tap on the Connect button. After connecting, your VPN will start working. That's how you can set up Megatunnel VPN for a more secure online experience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.